Settings menu and escape function. This allows you to set your general preferences. And you can press again to exit the menu. My Beverages, scroll left button. Opens your personalized drinks menu and scrolls left. Direct recipes. Milk. Latte macchiato. Cappuccino. Espresso. Coffee.
Premiumbeat.com.
Long. OK. Aroma strength button. Confirm selections and adjust the strength of your coffee delivery. Beverage selection, scroll right button. Opens the beverages not available as directly selected recipes and scrolls right. Espresso lungo. Ristretto. Doppio. Cafe latte. Flat white. 2 espresso. 2 espresso lungo. 2 ristretto. Hot water